Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 3 minus 9 divided by 3 minus 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 3 minus 9 gives us negative 6 divided by 3 minus 9 gives us again negative 6, and this is equal to just 1, but this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, division has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to handle this division. 9 divided by 3 gives us just 3. So we have 3 minus 9. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So we have 0 minus 9, which equals negative 9. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 9.